For today, we are discussing and presenting our business plan, the Precisa Mecánico Obra de Motores, prepared by Archel C. Concepcion, Austin B. Austin Asi B. Reyes, Charles Andrean Sabahas, John Ray C. Ticub, Joshua O. Pedemonte, and Roslyn A. Legaspi.
Executive Summary. Precisa Obra de Motores is a service-oriented automotive repair business focused on providing high-quality mechanical and electrical service for motorcycle and small vehicles. The business is strategically positioned in Rodriguez, Rizal, an area with a growing population of motorcycle users, including daily commuters, daily riders, and ride-hailing operators. The primary goal of business is to deliver accurate diagnosis, efficient repair, and cost-effective service that ensure customer satisfaction and long-term loyalty. Unlike many small repair shops that rely on trial and error methods, Precision Mecanico emphasizes precision technical expertise and proper diagnostic procedure with a total startup capital of 137,000. The business demonstrates strong financial feasibility. Based on projected operation, the shop is expected to generate a monthly revenue and a net profit of 35,000. The break-even point is achievable with only 2 customers per day, making, making it a low-risk investment. The long-term vision of the business include expansion operation, acquisition of advanced diagnostic equipment, and the introduction of performance tuning service. Ang business po namin, Precisa Obra de Motores, is a service-oriented automotive repair shop na nakapokus sa small vehicles. Located po kami sa Rodriguez Rizal kung saan mataas ang demand dahil sa customer at delivery riders. Ang main goal namin is to provide accurate diagnosis, efficient repair at cost-effective service para masatisfy ang customer at mabuild ang long-term loyalty. Di kami basta-basta trial and error lang. Priority namin ang precision at proper diagnostic procedure. Sa startup capital namin na 137,000, projected namin na magkaroon ng monthly revenue na 65 net profit. Ang break-even sa kahit 2 customer per day lang, kaya low risk investment siya. Next na siya. Industry overview. The automotive repair industry, particularly motorcycle servicing, is one of the most stable and continuously growing sector in the Philippines. Motorcycle are widely used due to their affordability, fuel efficiency, and convenience in traffic-heavy areas. In recent years, the demand for motorcycle service has significantly increased due to the rapid growth of delivery service, food delivery, and courier services. Increasing number of motorcycle ownership among low to middle income household, household expansion of ride-hailing service or urban congestion, encouraging the use of smaller vehicle. The motorcycle requires regular preventive maintenance every 1 to 3 months, ensuring a continuous and recurring demand for repair service. SWOT analysis. Strong technical background in automotive repair, knowledge in engine assembly and troubleshooting, affordable pricing strategy, hands-on experience in motorcycle maintenance, ability to perform CVT engine performance upgrade. Weaknesses. limited starting capital, limited equipment at start, small workforce, new business reputation. Opportunity, increasing motorcycle ownership, growth of delivery service, repeat customer from maintenance, social media marketing availability, possible partnership with riders, threats, established competitors, economic inflation, rising spare parts costs, customer choosing cheaper shop. Yun lang.
Business description or company. Business name, Precisa Mecánico Obra de Motores. Type, service business automotive repair shop. Location, Rodriguez Rizal. Core values, integrity, honest pricing and accurate diagnosis. Quality, commitment to excellent workmanship. Efficiency, fast and reliable service. Customer satisfaction, prioritizing customers' needs and feedback. Ang Precisa Mecánico Obra de Motores ay isang motorcycle repair shop na nagbibigay ng repair at maintenance services para sa mga motorcycle owners sa Rodriguez Rizal. Core values, integrity, honest pricing at tamang diagnosis sa customers. Quality, pagbibigay ng maayos at quality na serbisyo. Efficiency, ito yung mabilis at reliable na trabaho. Customer satisfaction, inuuna lagi ang needs at satisfaction ng customers. Next. Mission statement. To provide accurate and reliable diagnosis, high-quality motorcycle repair and maintenance services, and cost-effective solutions tailored to needs of every customer. We're committed to using proper tools, modern techniques, and skilled workmanship to ensure safety, performance, and customer satisfaction. Through honest transparency and professionalism, we aim to build long-term relationship with our clients, becoming their trusted partner in maintaining their motorcycle efficiency and reliability. Ang mission ng business ay bigyan ng quality at affordable motorcycle repair and maintenance services gamit ang tamang tools at skilled mechanic para masigurado ang safety at customer satisfactions. Next. Vision statement. To become one of the most trusted, reputable, and customer-preferred motorcycle repair shops in Rodriguez Rizal, we aspire to be recognized for our technical excellence, consistent service quality, and outstanding customer care. In the future, we aim to expand our services, adopt advanced automotive technologies, and contribute to the local community by providing dependable service, creating job opportunities, and setting a high standard in the motorcycle repair industry. Ang vision ng business ay maging isa sa pinaka-trusted at kilalang motorcycle repair shop sa community sa pamamagitan ng mahusay na serbisyo at modern technology. Next.
Business objective. Short-term objectives 1 to 2 years. Establish a loyal customer base. Achieve stable monthly income. Take over initial investment within 6 months. Build brand awareness through marketing. Long-term objectives 3 to 5 years. Expand shop space and service capacity. Hire additional skilled mechanics. Invest in a modern diagnostic tools. Introduce advanced service such as engine tuning and performance upgrades. Next po. Part 4, Operational Plan. Business Location. The shop will be located in a strategic area in Rodriguez Rizal. Accessible to main roads and residential communities to attract a steady flow of customers. Next po.